afternoon, my friends, and welcome to Saturday. It is the 9th of May, I think. Yes, well, that's what I put on my board this morning anyway. Saturday the 9th. It's a lovely sunny Saturday today. It's a really, really lovely autumn day. I think it's going to be like this tomorrow as well, which is good because tomorrow is Mother's Day. I've just spent the morning editing yesterday's vlog, so I hope you enjoy that. It wasn't really much of a vlog, it was just choosing colours for the label of Mum's quilt. I have to say that quietly because she's just down the hall. I really like it in the actual like daylight. It doesn't look as bad as what I thought it did in the night light yesterday, so I need to finish just doing the borders for that today, so then I can put it onto the quilt today as well, and then the quilt is done and ready to gift tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. Today I'm also going to make a chocolate cake. For a very split second I thought I'd lost the recipe, and then I found it. So here it is. So it's a recipe cut from a magazine from the Australian Women's Weekly. You all know how I feel about their recipes, they're really great. And it is dated January 1983. So it's called a chocolate cake with fudge frosting. Oh my gosh. It looks super, super easy. And you can also freeze it as well, which is pretty great. That is the picture that accompanies the recipe. So it looks delicious. If you would like to make this as well, just take a screenshot of the recipe now and just set to go. So I'm going to indulge myself in making some chocolate cake this afternoon after lunch. But first of all, I'm just going to sit down and do a little bit more of this because I don't really want to be up at midnight still finishing this, which I can kind of see myself doing, but I don't want to be. So let's take a moment, we'll sit down, we'll sew, and we'll get this done. And then we'll do cake. Ooh. I love chocolate cake, so that's why I'm so excited about it. It's the little things, guys, the little things, the little things. I have been sitting here, I think, for the last 2.5 hours, just stitching and stitching and stitching and stitching and stitching. And I've just finished the first border, so the blue one, and I've done a little bit of the other two. But I just have to show you, I came so close to running out of the blue thread. This is all that I have left. It came down to the wire. I had a small feeling I wasn't going to have enough, but I did, thankfully, and that's all I have left of blue thread. Yay, and I finished. No, I don't need it anymore, thank goodness. So I just have a little bit of the yellow and the pink borders to do, and then the label is finished. But I'm just going to have a break because I need a break from this. My fingers are sore. My eyes are sore, my hands are sore, my butt's sore. So I think it is time to bake a chocolate cake. Okay, cake is out of the oven and it took a lot longer than what the recipe said it should. It said it was going to take 30 minutes, but it actually took 55 minutes. So that's what I've said to leave it in for. So you'll just have to sort of check it after 45 minutes. In the meantime, I finished the label. I'm really happy with it. I've just popped on some of the Heat and Bond Visifix on the back. I'm just going to trim it up and then I will applicate onto the quilt and then do a little, oh my gosh, what's it called? Buttonhole stitch or blanket stitch that I usually do to attach it to the quilt. And it's finished. Yay! Happy days and all the H words. The label is finished. All done, which means the quilt is officially finished too. Here we go. Also today I didn't show you, but I coloured in a Mother's Day card. The boys were making these yesterday before they went home. And I was like, I want to make one for my mum too. So I did. So I'm going to write on that later. I'm so glad I got this finished. I was so worried I was going to be up till like midnight finishing this. But hooray, I won't be. I'm going to go check and see if the cake is cooled. If it is, then we'll ice it. Come to that time of the day where I am going to say goodnight. It's 5 to 12 at night and I'm glad the day has come to an end. Let me know if you're going to give the chocolate cake a go. Obviously I haven't tasted it yet, so I don't know how good it is. So you just have to trust that it just tastes like a yummy scrumptious chocolate cake. Before I actually go to bed, I need to wrap up Mum's present for Mother's Day tomorrow. Write on the card, wrap the quilt up along with her delicious Terry's chocolate orange. And yeah, thank you for joining me today for whatever it was. I can't really quite remember what I filmed or how much I filmed. It feels like I've just had my face stuck in embroidering the label all day, so yeah. I'm gonna go because my camera doesn't want to focus on me, which I'm not complaining about. I'm tired. And I look like an egg. Oh, now it's focusing on me now that I've said that. Anyway, thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a lovely Saturday and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!